Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita and you are watching me in Trends and Style. Now in my today's video, I would be reviewing and unboxing the latest OnePlus Nord. Now I have ordered this phone from Amazon in the Amazon sale, and today I have received the packaging and so thought to share my views with you all guys. So this phone is grey onyx color and with specs of 12GB RAM and 264GB internal memory. Now this phone I have got in a price of 28,500 with a 1500 rupees discount on a particular credit card offer in the sale, but the MRP is 29,999. Now this phone comes in total 3 various options with RAM and storage, like 6GB RAM and 64GB storage will cost you 24,999. 8GB RAM and 128GB storage will cost you 27,999. And finally this one, 12GB RAM with 264GB storage will cost you 29,999 without any offer. Now this phone is the latest OnePlus Oxygen OS and based on the latest Android 10. Now this is a dual SIM phone and comes in 2 color variants. One is blue marble and the other one is grey onyx. So the one that I have ordered is the grey onyx. And now here you can see how the black color box is looking from outside, and with OnePlus Nord written on the side of the box, and on the back side of the box there is a label with all the details that you have. Now this phone has Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with 5G connectivity. Now this phone has a battery of 4115 mAh battery. After opening the box, I can see the phone protected inside a plastic cover. Now along with the phone, I will just see first what else is there in the box, so then I will talk about the phone specification. So after the phone, I get this welcome letter from OnePlus and then a transparent phone cover which is having a good texture on it, like a matte texture on it. And now here in this section there is a OnePlus Nord sticker, and then one startup guide, and then safety guides, and the red cable card, SIM track tool. Here is the famous OnePlus USB A to C type red cable, which is really famous in OnePlus. And then it is the fast charging 30T adapter, which claims to charge this phone from 0 to 70% in only 30 minutes. And now my box is empty. As you can see, nothing else is there in this box. Now as I open up the phone from the cover and start booting, you can see the screen is really nice, and it is a 6.44 inch total fully HD plus fluid AMOLED display. And this phone has a side volume rocker on the power button. Now this phone comes with 4 cameras on the back side. One is 48 megapixel, then 8 megapixel, then 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel with dual flash. And on the bottom is the dual SIM track along with the charging C-type port. And on the front of the phone has dual camera, one 32 megapixel, while the wide angle selfie camera is 8 megapixel. So yeah, overall this phone is really nice and I am liking it. So thanks for watching. Till I see you next time. Bye.